common problem of the users of smartphones, especially Android, are the problems of memory and space in the cell phone. This means that it works slowly and does not allow you to exploit the capacity of your cell phone. Mainly what occupies more space are the applications, photographs and videos, but there are also other factors that affect the capacity of space that we often ignore. These are some solutions to free storage on your cell phone. Uninstall applications that you do not use. We often forget applications that are inside. There are applications that take up more space to run in the background, which means more space in memory. Delete the application cache, that is, the temporary memory. You can eliminate it globally in the settings of the applications. In the settings of the applications in the settings or using applications such as Clean Master, or selectively in the settings of each application. Be careful not to erase data from the application and make a backup, as you can erase important information. Check what you have downloaded. You may have documents or images that you do not need. Also erase internet data known as cookies, as this stores information and occupies all your space. Upload information to the cloud. It will be even safer to save your files there and leave your memory free. Download light apps. It is an app with the same features to a full version, but with limited features that do not affect its operation.